Hello, welcome to Calvin Silent Math. In this video, we're going to use a very simple method to perform binomial expansion. So we're given expand 2x plus y raised to power 4. So we're going to need three things. First, we're going to need the coefficients, and we're going to obtain the coefficients from the Pascal's triangle. So when the power is 0, then the coefficient is 1. When the power is 1, the coefficient is 1 and 1. Then from there, we just say 1 plus 1, that is 2. Then you put 1 and 1. Then 1 plus 2 is 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. Then you put 1 and 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. 3 plus 3 is 6. 3 plus 1 is 4 and 1 and 1. So this is what we're going to use as the coefficient. So we just write that the coefficient that we're going to use is 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. The next thing we're going to have to look at is how the powers of A change across the expansion. So A in our case is 2x. So we have 2x. So the powers of A normally decrease from n to 0. So we're going to have 2x raised power 4, then 2x raised power 3, then 2x raised power 2, then 2x raised power 1, and then you're going to have 2x raised power 0. So we have to simplify this. So we have 2x raised power 4. So 2 raised power 4 is 16. So we have 16x power 4. Then here we have 2x raised power 3. 2 raised power 3 is 8. So we have 8x power 3. Then 2 raised power 2 is 4. So we have 4x squared. Then 2x, and this is raised to power 0, so we have 1 there. So the next one is to see how the powers of B change across the expansion. Normally, the powers of B increase from 0 to n. So our B is y. So we have y raised to power 0, y raised to power 1, y raised to power 2, y raised to power 3, and y raised to power 4. So the next thing is just to multiply down to see what we get. So let us multiply down. So we're going to take 1 times 16 x power 4 times y power 0, that is just 16x power 4, plus 4 times 8x power 3 times y power 1, that will be 4 times 8 is 32. So we have 32 x power 3, and there we have y power 1, plus 6 times 4x squared times y squared, that is 24 x power 2 y power 2, plus we have 4 times 2x times y power 3, so that will be 8 x y power 3. Then finally we have 1 times 1 times y power 4, which is just y power 4. So that is our expansion. Thank you for watching, and if you're new here, kindly subscribe to support the channel. Bye and see you in the next video.